Our products can vary in model style. While the model used in this video may not look exactly like your machine, the procedure demonstrated here is very similar. Always unplug the machine from the outlet before working around any moving or electrical components. If you need to use power while diagnosing an issue, please use caution. Unplug the red, black, and white wires as shown here. Unscrew the top bolt. Now unscrew the bottom bolt. You may need to turn the treadmill on its side to access this bolt. If you need to do this, please use two people. Make sure to put the bolts, nuts, and any spacers in a secure place. Remove the incline motor. Put the new incline motor in place. Placing a spacer on each side of the incline lead screws, replace the bottom bolt. Screw the top bolt in place. Plug the white, black, and red wires into the new incline motor as shown. Power on your treadmill. If your treadmill does not automatically calibrate, please refer to the incline calibration instructions found in your user's manual.